fun. It's more fun here in Durat Alaros. There's a lot of more exciting, and of course I'm very happy for I have a chance to play here as a DJ and official DJ of Bison. So I'm happy also to meet you, all of you guys. So uh, I hope next year we come back here. Well, we start at year 2007, but my final interest for me played as a DJ as 2008 till now.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, yes. Of course, thank you very much, guys, because you give me a chance for interview here. This is my first time here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So, by the way, thanks for the Bison and my boss, Mr. Abdullah, one of the marketing of Bison. He's the one select me to play here as a DJ, as a personal DJ of Bison. So, thanks very much. Welcome, sir. Thank you very much, guys.